Hello class ninth. Today I am going to start a new chapter in economics, the story of village Palampur. Purpose of the story is to make you understand concepts related to production. After watching this video, you will be able to understand what are factors of production and you will be able to know more about village Palampur. Let us first talk about Palampur. First of all, it is a hypothetical village. Hypothetical means imaginary, something which is not real but we have imagined it to understand some other concept. Okay, farming is the main activity in the Palampur, whereas some small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport are also carried on small scale. So all these activities other than farming are sub activities. Farming is the main activity which is done in Palampur. And all these production activities, all these manufacturing activities need various types of resources such as natural, man-made, human and economic. Palampur is well connected with the neighboring villages and town. An all-weather road connects it to Raiganj, a big village. Palampur have about 450 families. Two primary schools and one high school is situated in Palampur. A primary health center is also there. This all tell us Palampur is fairly well developed system. Now we will try to understand organization of production, because this chapter is all about understanding how the production is done. Let us first talk about organization of production. Aim of production. Aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. There are four requirements for production of goods and services. First one is land and other natural resources. Second, labor. Third, physical capital. And fourth, human capital. Let us first talk about land. The first requirement is land and other natural resources such as minerals and water. Here I have put two pictures. In picture 1, a big land area is shown, and in picture 2, various kind of natural resources are there. The second factor is labor. The second requirement is labor. It means people who will do work. Highly skilled and educated laborers are required to perform some necessary task. Manual laborers are not very skilled, but they also play important role in production. Let us talk about physical capital. Physical capital is of two types, fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital includes those things which can be used over many years, such as tools, machines, building. Working capital. Working capital includes money on hand and raw materials. Now let us talk about human capital. You will need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together land, labor, and physical capital and produce an output, either to use yourself or to sell in market. This knowledge and enterprise done by human is called human capital. All four of these, land, labor, capital, entrepreneur are known as factor of production. Now let us talk about much more formal definition of factor of production. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital, which are known as factor of production. This brings us to the end of this video. Let us see what we learned in this video. In this video, we learned about village Palampur and all the factors of production. We also define factor of production. Thank you and stay home, stay safe.